Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different passive income ideas that you can use to start earning money passively in 2019. Let's get it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different passive income methods that you can get started with. But before I dive into passive income methods, I want to first explain the difference between an active income and a passive income. Now, most people who work at a regular 9 to 5 job are earning an active income. So basically, what this is you're trading your time for money. But when it comes to earning a passive income, this is where you're putting in the work up front and then you can earn a residual income over time. Now, most people get the wrong idea when it comes to earning a passive income. They think that they just put in the work one time, they sit back, relax, and then they start getting paid. But if you want to start earning a passive income, you need to be active. Now, I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but what I mean by that is that you have to actively be promoting your product or service. So let's say, for example, your method of a passive income is by selling online courses. You have to actively be promoting your online course. You have to let people know that you're selling an online course. So, what's the best way to promote your product or service? It's by creating content that's delivering value and it's related to the product or service that you're selling or the niche that you're in. It can be anything from uploading YouTube videos, posting on Facebook, Instagram, or even writing blog articles. So this is what I mean when I say that you have to be active in order to start earning a passive income. And when you understand this, then that's when you'll start to earn a passive income. Now, I want to talk about a few different methods that you can start to earn a passive income. But before I get into that, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me talk about the first way to earn a passive income. And that's by selling stock photos. So if you've ever done a Google image search where you looked up pictures or photos, then more than likely you've seen photos with watermarks over them. And if you ever wanted to use those photos without the watermarks, you would have to pay for the rights to use them. And the person that uploaded these photos would be getting paid royalties. Now you can do the same thing. If you were to upload a photo onto a stock photo website, if somebody wanted to buy the rights to use that photo, then that's when you would make royalties. Now, a great website that you can do this with is called Shutterstock. It's pretty simple to sign up. All you do is go to Shutterstock, you sign up to become a contributor, and then you upload your photos. And if people are willing to buy the rights to use your photo, then that's when you start to make money. Now, most people who buy stock photos are looking for photos that have nature scenery, business photos, sports photos, and photos of other people. And if you can get great photos of any of these categories, then you can definitely earn a passive income with this method. And if people are willing to buy the same photo that you have over and over again, then you can definitely earn a residual income just from one photo. So the second way to earn a passive income is by selling an online course, which I just mentioned earlier. So if you have a particular skill or if you're knowledgeable in a certain area and you know people would be willing to pay money to learn that skill or have that knowledge, then you can definitely make a passive income but also a full-time income with this method. So let's say that you have a course that you're selling for $500. If you get 10 people to enroll into that course in a month, then that's easily a full-time income from this method. So a great website that would host your online course is called Teachable. So it's pretty simple to get started. First, you would have to record your online course. Since it's an online course, it would have to be video based. You go to teachable.com, you sign up to become a teacher, and then you upload your online course. Then you would set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into it, and then you start to get people to enroll into your course. Now obviously, the more people that enroll into your course, the more money that you make. So you can sell the same course over and over and over again to people who are willing to learn that skill or that knowledge that you have. Now the third method to making a passive income is through affiliate marketing. Now this is a great way to start earning money online because you don't need to have your own products to sell in order to start making money. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you're promoting somebody else's product online through an affiliate link. If somebody's interested in buying that product that you're promoting, they would click on that affiliate link, and that link is going to take them to a checkout page or the product page where they have the option to buy that product. And if they buy that product through your link, then that's when you make a commission. And just to give you guys a couple of examples of affiliate programs that you can get started with, the first one is going to be called ClickBank, and then the second one is Amazon Associates. Now both of these programs are free to sign up, but they pay very differently when it comes to commissions. ClickBank is known to pay a higher commission. It depends on the product that you're promoting. Now Amazon Associates, it pays pretty cheap, but it's a well-known website where people are trustworthy of it. Now there's a lot of dynamics that goes into affiliate marketing. For example, creating a landing page, creating an email list, setting up an autoresponder, and having a thank you page. And I'm not going to go into the details about affiliate marketing in this video because I go over that a lot in other videos. But if you guys are interested in learning more information about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So basically, this ebook explains what affiliate marketing is, and it tells you how you can promote your products on different platforms. And also it helps you decide what niche to promote. So I recommend checking that out. It's completely free. So the fourth method to earning a passive income online is by selling a system. So if you can create a system that's going to help people better their lives in one way or another, then you can definitely earn a passive income this way. Whether you're selling a system that's going to help people lose weight, that's going to help people make money online, that's going to help people find the person of their dreams, or any other system that's going to help people when it comes to a problem that they're struggling with. The key to having a system that people would want to buy is by having a product that's delivering value, and it's also a low-cost item. So let's say, for example, you're selling a weight loss system for people who want to lose 50 pounds or more. You can start off by having a low-cost item, which would give them access to food nutrition, weight loss recipes, and maybe a few workout videos. You can do this all for $20. And if people are buying this product for $20 and they're getting value from it, then more than likely they're going to be willing to buy another product that you have for an extra cost. So let's say, for example, you have your own weight loss supplements that you're selling for $50. If somebody bought your low cost item for $20 and they got value out of it, if they're serious about losing weight, they're going to be interested in buying your weight loss supplement for $50 because you're going to be addressing a problem. You're going to be giving people a chance to go deeper into solving a problem that they're having for an extra cost. Now let's say that you have another product that you're selling for $500, and it's going to be something like a workout boot camp where you take people for the weekend, you work out with them, you provide them healthy meals, you talk about life goals that they might have so they can live a happier and healthier life, and you do this for $500. Now people who bought the other two products that got value from them are going to be interested in this workout boot camp. People are willing to invest money into themselves if it's going to benefit them. So this is how you sell a system. You give people an option to buy something that is a low cost of entry that's going to deliver value, and then you have an option for them to go deeper for an extra cost. This is what's called a value ladder. And this is something that you should have if you want to sell a system that's going to help people. Well, these are a few different ways that you can start to earn money passively online. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description to learn how to get started. Well, I hope you guys learned something new in this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.